It's got a code. The QR code on.
Yeah, confirm first and pick out your food, please. Some people just take food and didn't complete. No.
Why didn't complete it? You just complete, that's it.
Yeah, just it. People don't take food.
Yeah, some they still. Yeah.
Cancel the order.
Yeah, cancel.
It's busy, we don't want.
Baka gusto niyang kupitin yung sushi.
Turn right, then pick up on the right.
May order tayo sa Gen Z Burger. Ang tawag nila komisari. Tuan lang dito, wala silang pwesto talaga na kainan. Hi, pick up for Darren. Uber Eats.
Darren?
Yep. Thank you. May add order tayo. Okay, kunin natin yan. Dalawang lugar to eh. Ito, All Kitchen, tsaka yung kaninang pinanggalingan natin. Uber pickup for Madhav. Thank you. Oh.
Cherry Box pickup model?
Is that right?
Yes, please.
Yeah, thank you. Alright, nakapikat kagad tayo ng dalawa. Very nice. Ang una nating pupuntahan ay si Darren. So yeah, dapat wag nating mapagpalit. Leave at door para kay Darren. O yun lang, may train sa harapan.
In 300 meters, turn left on 200 Street using the left
Sana
lane.
ba tapos na? Bang stop nito? Hindi ko alam dito ba? Doon pa pala. Yan, yun. Hindi pa tapos na. Makadaan na pala.
Yeah. Pop in, burning like this, ain't checking my wrist. Third is my shift. Rolling all night like flex. Look at the click.
Delivered. Done na yung isa. Punta na tayo sa susunod. Hello. Good evening. Good. How are you?
Very good.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good evening.
Thanks, you too. Yun. Basic. Let's go. It's done. Wait, $20. Kaso, layo. Itong Loheid Highway, ayoko. Sa inyo na yan. Problema yung pabalik. $20. Oh, ito pa, 19. Yun din yun eh. Bumaba pa, tinan mo, daya talaga nitong Uber natin. Lugi tayo dyan, cancel. Yun, $5. Sushi California. $5, 5 kilometers. Yeah, kunin natin yan. Okay, tsaka on the way sa
Head to
harapan
your
natin.
pickup at Sushi California Langley.
Tara. Order number 3.
Pick up on the left.
Sakyan na. Dito na tayo. Ayun yung Sushi California sa left side natin. Let's go. Tara, samahan niyo ako, pick upin natin. Sasabihin na naman ng misis ko, tara, samahan niyo ako, pick upin natin. Marami-rami ito, dali natin yung bag. Tama ba ito? Nasa ko na, baka mali na naman. Hi, I have a Uber pickup for Daniel.
Daniel?
Yeah. 108. Oh,
Daniel R. Daniel F, right?
yes.
Okay, 3 bags.
Okay, thank you. Malayo-layo to 10 minutes. So, next order natin, Daniel. Number, bahay siya. So, yeah. 10 minutes. Dami tong in-order niya. Double spicy salmon roll, calicone, red dragon roll. Alam niya ba yan? Wala min. Tara, sa deliver na lang natin.
Taking that risk, I'm checking my list. Marathon man, it's real legit. Can't let it slip when it's all in my grip. Talking too much, he probably not it. All that I did, calls I missed, time I spent. Yeah, that's that blood, sweating my love. Checking that tug, out of the mud. Rough only get picked up like a truck. Went in the clutch, that is a must. Wake up, get to it.
Yeah, ano? Sabi, libot door lang naman eh. Done. Tapos meron tayong order number 4 sa Dairy Queen. Order number
In
4
300 meters, turn left on 80 Avenue.
sa Dairy Queen para kay Colin. Tuloy-tuloy tayo ngayon. Ayos yan. Makakawin tayo na maaga pag ganyan. Pag ganitong weather, nakakatamlay. Parang tinatamlay.
Avoided, we cruising like the Caribbean with mileage. I'ma always be solid. I'm a young brother with knowledge.
Pagod lang.
Don't do this science, dog. Always I'm like a pilot, dog. Look in my eyes, I'm tired, dog. The time that it takes, I'm aiming for the space. Gotta build my empire, dog. I make sales, not a buyer, dog. You don't compare here, liar,
Just ahead pickup.
Stack it up till it can't fold. I just did 10 in a row. I just did 10 in a row.
First time ko dito mag-pick up. Nandito yung dairy.
Pickup.
Saan? Ito sa harapan. Ayun. Tayo dito sa likod. Okay, let's go pick up. Bang vibes dito eh. Parang tourist spot. DQ para kay Kaylen. Hi, I have a Uber pickup for Kaylen. Thank you. Nga pala. Order number 4 na po tayo. Delivered to Kaylen. So, bahay din siya. Leave at door din. No, puro leave at door niya yun. Mga 5 minutes from here. Let's go. Vibe dito parang ano. Nako, may road close pa. Saan tayo dadaan? Yun lang, ikot. Buti nag-route. May daan ba dito? Nye, road close din. Okay. Kailangan natin ng paraan. May construction kasi dyan sa street dyan eh. Pantay lalabas dito. Okay, alam ko na kung saan tayo nanggaling. Doon tayo mag-reroute naman tong ano eh. Sundan lang natin kung saan dumadaan yung mga sasakyan tayo.
Turn left to stay on Willoughby Town Center Drive.
Hindi pwede, road construction yan. Pagdiretsin ko kaya to. Hindi lang kaya dyan. Try natin. Parang meron eh.
Turn left, then turn left on 208 Street.
Ako po, sarado rin. Ano ba yan? Oy, ay, ay. Puro road close. Oy, saan nyo kami palalabasin dito? Ano naman tong road close na to?
In 300 meters, turn right on 208
So wala
Street.
dito, wala doon. Kaya mag-left talaga tayo dito. Message natin si Karen. Hindi na muna ako kukuha ng order dito sa lugar na to. 80 tsaka 209. Yun lang. Ay. Lang gumagalaw ah. Yun, sa wakas.
Turn right on 209 Street, then turn
Late na
left.
tayo. Dapat 7:32 yung dating natin. 7:36 na. Ano magagawa ko? Hindi mo pwedeng lumipad.
Turn left, then drop off.
Sorry. Hindi ko kasalanan yun ha. Okay, thank you. Nakita pa ako ng tao sa taas. $4. Okay, next. Asa tayo dito? Traffic dito. Ayoko na dito. Yeah, next na tayo. Ayun. Uy, $13. Papuntang Guilford. Sakto. Kunin ko yan. Yeah. Oo.
Head to
Malapit
your
sa
pickup
bayan.
at Japan Sushi.
Kahit na
In
lugi sa
600
hindi lugi
meters,
sa
turn right on
kilometers.
88th Avenue.
Kasi malapit sa bahay, at least bayad yung pauwi natin. Yeah! Ayos! Bigla akong kinaan. Tara, yan natin to. Kasi dyan, no, mag-highway ako. Imbis na wala akong karga, may karga tayo, di ba? Ayos to, papuntang Guilford. Tara. Kala ko malungkot ngayon eh. Pwede na to. Pwede na. Parang save the best for last. Pinakahuli pa yung magandang order.
Turn left, then pick up.
Yan sa baba, pero dito na ako magpapark sa taas para di na mahirapan palabas mamaya. Okay. Sakto to. Pagka ano natin, uwi na. Dapat pala dito na lang ako nag-park. Kala ko kasi usually puno dito eh. Oh. Hello. I have a Uber pickup for Chloe. 2 minutes, yeah, okay. O, 2 pickup pala to. Kala ko isa lang. So, Japanese sushi. Tapos may sushi asukuswa. Yeah. Dalawa yung pick up natin, dalawa rin yung drop off. Okay lang, at least yeah, ganun pa rin, malapit sa bahay. Malapit lang sa bahay yung final na drop off natin.
Complete pick up, please. Complete pick up, please. Sure. You finish the
You scan a code. The QR code on
不用扫。
路上，在车上。
Yeah, complete pick up, please.
I can confirm on that.
Yeah, confirm first and pick up your food, please. Some people just take food and didn't complete. No, I don't want to try. It's very easy. I don't want to make it again.
Why he didn't complete it?
Yeah.
Ah,
But
it's-
the kid for the
What?
away.
Yeah, he'll just cancel it then. He'll just complete, that's it.
Yeah, just see.
Waste of time for him.
Yeah.
But you guys are paid, right? Uber still pay you? Yeah.
Some people don't take food. And,
Yeah, some they still. Yeah.
Cancel the order.
Yeah, cancel.
It's busy. We don't want.
It's his loss, not yours. Yeah, ewan ko kung bakit ayaw niyang anuin. Ko-confirm niya lang naman. Baka gusto niyang kupitin yung sushi. Ayaw niya i-confirm eh. Minsan talaga may mga taong ewan ko ba, ba't ganun mag-isip. Oh, ito siguro nakakuha na. Kasi kinancel niya.
Yeah, complete pick up, please.
Ngayon dapat i-scan.
Complete pick up, please. Scan code and complete pick up, please.
Scan muna.
Thank you. Everyone.
Yun. Yeah, scan muna. Ganun yung gagawin ng isa kanina. Siguro may masama siyang balak. Basta may alak, may balak. Alright. I confirm here. Alright, thank you. Ang laki na ito. Nangiti siya nung sinabi kong i-confirm ko dito. Minsan nga, siguro nga, ang intensyon ng isa kanina, pagkuha niya ng item, hindi niya i-verify, ika-cancel niya, tapos kakainin niya na yung order. Di ba? Loko rin eh. Baka gutom na yun. Anyways, problema niya na yan. Okay, pick upin natin yung isa. Dito lang. Pick upin natin yung isang order. Dito lang yung sushi din. Malapit. Hello, good evening. Oh, okay. Okay. For Caitlin?
Hello.
Okay. Thank you. Order number 5? 5 na ba? Yeah, I think 5.
Head to your
Next
drop
stop.
off at the Commons.
Si yun nung una natin, si Caitlin. Let's go.
Drop off on the right. Caitlin B says, leave at door.
Tama ba yung dala natin kay Caitlin? Yeah, ito yung kay Caitlin, di ba? Dalisan natin. Silanganin yung parking. Ah, dito pala may parking nga eh. Yun, dito ka dapat nag-park po, Tep. Okay. Hi, Uber.
Should be open.
Thank you. Ay, naku. Dulo ka pa. Pinili mo pa sa dulo talaga. Okay lang. Oop, may aso. Sorry. Take photo muna tayo. Picture. Done. Okay. Delivered. Kailan, doon na tayo sa pangalawa. Ito na yung Pag-Ilford. Bilis natin yung sasakyan natin. Baka mato. Deliver ka lang, tapos mato ka pa. Layo, di ba? Tanga ka mag-park, OTEP eh. Ay, marathon na. Okay lang. Ang importante, last order tayo na malapit sa bahay. Yun ang pinakamaganda dyan. Kay Chloe, 19 minutes, 16 kilometers. Leave at door din. Leave at door lahat.
Drop off on the left. Close C says, leave at door.
Ano? Try natin. Yan na pala yung pipindutin tapos bubukas na siya. Enter Sesame. Okay, yung unit number. Finally. Okay. Okay, yung elevator lang. No signal here. 13 bucks. Basta pala, kala ko 18. May maliit na pond pala dito. Kala ko swimming pool. Yan, naka 8 trips tayo maghapon. Parang lumalabas na naman na $20 per hour. Okay, so medyo madilim na. Uwi na ako, last na yon. So thank you po ulit sa pagsama sa akin. Sana hindi na po tayo mabawasan, lalo pa tayo madagdagan. Maraming po salamat. Thank you. Bye.